I don't think they've burnt themselves out, mate. I think, like you said, there's a lot of nervous energy, and I think there's a lot of energy there. I think they'll be out playing for each other, and of course, not only playing for each other, but playing for themselves and for country. So it looks like we're about to get it underway. The Indians are about to kick off. Over to you, Jess. Yes, the Indian guys aren't counting out their men out wide, so they'll need to watch that. Otherwise, I think the Colombians will find the holes fairly quickly. Cut out pass.
4 passes out towards the middle of the field, attacking through the right edge. The middle channel still, it's good right edge of the middle channel. Looks like there's a Moko blindside here. Or they're going for an early kick from the 50.
Fourth.
It's not a bad little set to start. Only has gone back, and I do, I believe that is. The sun is trying to allude to earlier is behind the camera view with the slope of the green going towards the road, so any kick towards this side
Yes, holding him down a bit too long there. I mean, a bit silly. I know they've got a bit of an advantage, but I mean, bad way to break up your first set and give the Indians an advantage where they can get the ball downfield, and hopefully they'll be into the opposition's territory where they can set off on their attack.
Jazzy Buller talking to the boys there, making sure they calm down. I guess that's a really important part of this first bit, is that first 10 minutes, whoever can play structured footy the quickest is probably the one that's going to get the points on the board. And Jazzy, with that leg arm, what it is, it's a custom leg really, he only got made 20 metres. Yeah,
well, I think a little bit of breeze out there. I mean, he's around the centre of the field, so...
Timing a little bit off there for Taps, and they're going to restart it. It's good to see both teams are fairly structured early on. It's an exciting game, both groups of players will be up for this.
Yeah, two of the big boys in it there.
Desorga has some raps on him, Pete. I know that he was rated top Indian.
Oh, here we go. Look at this. Great bust up the middle. Big strength there. Wow, 4 Colombians are getting him down, trying to get up and play the ball quickly.
Might be space out wide here. Blindside might be on here. They might not be left. They're not back open. They do have the numbers here if they get it wide.
Yes. Oh. Only 10 metres out.
ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਭਾਈ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਵੀ ਕਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਲੈ ਜਾਣਾ Excuse me.
It's the second try to India, and the score is 8 points to 0 after 11 minutes.
ਲਾਈਵ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਨਾ
ਉੱਤੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹਲੇ
Conversion successful. India leads 10 points to 0.
I know a lot of the players you know what? Naughty is on the
We'd like to thank those sponsors who made today possible, bringing the team together from across New Zealand and USA to This lovely team is presented by Prestige Performance, European Car Service, Columbia Resident, London House, Preston and Co. Certified Company, Studios Security, Dr. Peter Study Aftercare, and Swift. The India team is supported by Swift Coast. Radio, John TV, Patel and Association Chartered Accountants, Punjabi House, Sydney Fabrication, Rakesh Gupta, and Abdul Qatar.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ, ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਠੀਕ ਠਾਕ?
So it's 23 minutes remaining in the half. It's India 16, Colombia 0. 2 tries to Safkul Mali, 1 to Josh Naidu, and 2 goals to Michael Sharma. That's the third try of the afternoon for Safkul Mali. India is ahead, 20 points to 6 to come. Michael Sharma at the edge, 22 points to 6.
What's up, India? We on?
And you don't just...
Scoring 16 points to 4.
Yeah, a lot of these players, even though they've been rather effective, are not from here, they're all from here, they're all
With the conversion, 16 points to 6.
where are you these days? Well, yeah, good fun. It's not bad. We're talking about the short here, the guys in here. Oh, see him. Yeah, I still see him sure know Taylor. She plays in Broncos as well, right? Yeah, also there's Taylor Bakashua. That's my cousin's daughter. Yeah. I thought I had this conversation with you guys, yeah. I think you were talking about this, yeah. I thought I had this conversation. Yeah, that's good. Because Taylor's just re-signed. Yeah. But she, yeah, I think Taylor turned like 22. She played for the Samoans when they played in
Kiswaga has some raps on him, Pete. I know that he was rated top Indian.
Oh, here we go. Look at this. Drain pass up the middle. Big strength there.
What a charge. They've got the
Oh,
ball up
Paul
to the
Plumbing to get him down, trying to get up and play the ball quickly.
What his pace out wide here. Take out the wheels up to the middle. To that little channel. Blindside might be on here. They might have a look. They're going back open. They do have the numbers here if they can get it wide. They stripped him. Halfback's got a little bit of space.
Only 10 metres out.
They might go through the blindside again here, Pete. They've got numbers again. Hit the ball short.
And he's there.
First try
And India
ever.
got the first
Historic
try.
first try ever for the Indian Jungle Cats. Great bust through the middle by the lock forward. Looks a rangy fella, but geez, he's got some muscle about him. A lot of strapping around that left leg. Found that space in the middle of the field, and again just worked that middle channel, and it was open side and the blind side. That's where the trial stood.
Yeah, I mean, the good thing was they looked, they carried the ball, they drew the defence before he threw the final pass, and just his strength put him over the line quite nicely.
I guess that goes back to that penalty.
It does, doesn't it?
It's a good first set for the Colombians. Really strong.
Uncle, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਬੋਲ ਨੂੰ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰੋ ਜਿੱਤੇ ਬੋਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੈਮਰਾ ਘੁਮਾ ਦਿਓ and just follow the ball and Taiji ਅੰਕਲ ਜੀ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਡੋਂਗੂ ਆਪਣੇ ਜੇਬ 'ਚ ਰੱਖਿਓ ਹਨ ਡੋਂਗੂ ਨਾ ਉੱਤੇ ਪੁੰਜੇ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਲੈ ਦੇ because ਆਪਣੇ ਹੁਣੇ ਹੋਇਆ ਇੱਕ ਕੰਮ ਚੱਲ ਗਿਆ ਡੋਂਗੂ ਉੱਤੇ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਕਨੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਗਿਆ okay so
And then hitting them.
Pass off the hit up down the middle of the field. Big play up. Two on the tackle.
Yeah, two of the big boys in there.
Kiswaga has some raps on him, Pete. I know that he was rated top Indian.
Oh, here we go. Look at this. Drain pass up the middle. Big strength there. Oh, Paul Plumbing to get him down, trying to get up and play the ball quickly.
At half time.
ਦਰਸ਼ਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਜਗਦੀਪ ਗਿੱਲ। TV ਵੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਜਗਦੀਪ ਗਿੱਲ।
Good support from the Indians there, helping his play so he didn't get into it.
TV ਵੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਜਗਦੀਪ ਗਿੱਲ।
First man playing, the big fella's got an offload on him, and the fullback found the rangy second row on this left-hand edge, and he's gone back towards the middle of the field. It's the last tackle. Looks to get this to their 5-8. Looks like they're playing almost 1-half. He's throwing the cutout ball.
Ball's going forward.
As the ball's put his head up, he's got a bit of space in there. What the option is looking for. He didn't want to change it up and let that winger think he's going to kick every time. So he was trying to come in to me to get out of there.
Well, that'll keep him up, that'll keep the winger up. Keep the winger up for it, and then next time he can do the chip over the top and chip it in back.
Some wingers out there with the water to come in, so I think they need it. So it's starting the match, we've got 5 minutes for the second half, 5 minutes not even gone. They look a little bit more shape out this.
Yeah, they look like they're a bit more in the game now. They're talking from their coach at half time. He's done them a lot of good. Yeah, no help from his teammates there in reducing Indians are working well. They're going up as a line, which is good. Yeah, once again, you know, got to catch the ball before you look up at the opposition. Don't worry about looking at the opposition. Catch the ball first.
Sounds simple, doesn't it, Peter?
It does. In the heat of battle, especially when it's a big fella coming at you.
Okay, what do you see here from the Indians, Pete?
I think they'll work away here. Scrums inside the 30 and 40 metre line. So, you know, a good set of 6 here to see him score again.
Yeah, more about the these edges, and I think they've been hitting regularly. I think they've been finding the space. It's the biggest winger Australia out here on that team.
Yeah, I'm surprised they haven't actually got him in the centre here at the moment.
Good play here. Let's look at that first versus two out here.
Trying to get him just jump back down.
They do have the extra number of right there. That's the way
Actually,
they're
on the
blind.
side.
TV ਵੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਜਗਦੀਪ ਗਿੱਲ।
Right, man, he's high. He's down to the 10 metre line. Right. Come on, good. One runner wider there, and I think that would have been it. Oh, they could actually go back to blindside too here.
Pretty patient footy here, buddy.
Just roll this one in, just roll it in, just roll it in.
And that's what he's tried to do. Certainly not off the big pressure like that. You see what they're trying to do, and I'm not behind that at all. It's
Yeah, maybe that kick was just a little bit too straight. Should have been a bit more cross field, so it didn't go straight dead. If he put that across between the posts, would have made the Colombians play the ball. Maybe with his own wide run, there's a bit more of a chance to get that.
This will be interesting here. Looks like the Indians have lost a little bit of
It's all.
The Indians are coming out.
Now they're doing a bit more defence here.
There's a couple of numbers there, which is great.
Good,
Great
good
place.
post contact meters, yes.
45 out from the line. It's hot for this play to play. Really fast. Going down the left-hand side again. They go down the right side, the half backs, and when they go two plays, drifts across the field, runs around a player there.
Unfortunately, yes. Misunderstanding there, and probably also misunderstanding.
Unfortunately, that team. Other errors, basic errors.
Yeah, probably just a lack of understanding of the game. But, you know, once you run, if you do run behind the other player, you need to yield and just stand still, take the tackle. You continue to play on. You've got to give yourself up.
I think another basic setting for the Indians.
Well, I think the other thing to do for is the killer punch. If they can score on this set of 6, that's going to make it really hard to play. So first score on this set of 6 is very important. Good tackle, yeah, good tackle down low, stopping him in his tracks.
I like that pass on the net. He's hitting great there. 5-8-8. Not sure about that play. It's terrible by the Colombians.
And giving away the penalty.
Not a smart play again by the Colombians. They're down and giving away penalties like that. Nice little play, just playing, put the player back on the net.
So here we go again. Big penalty away. Bad penalty. Will this cost them? Might be. This could be the first points. I'm just getting clarification from the referee of what the penalty was for.
Clarification need for a late line. Down the 5. It's not a good counter feed.
Yes, certainly, mate. The Jazzy ball's back up. Good to see. Got the ball in hand. Fine touch over on the far side. Used the breeze behind him. Also, the only thing is he's kicking into the sun. Make it hard for it's not pointing touch. So they've handed him the ball back. There is a hurdle. Come on, just play the ball. You need to play the ball.
Good charge by the second goal. He's 20 pounds a metre. He's got a little field.
Food!
Picked up the loose ball. Really good pass.
Get up, Trevor! Get up!
Play simple. Let's go through this one.
That lead is lost.
Quick ball to the centre.
Got plenty of space.
Second row to the centre. Look for the offload. Offload to the blind. And the winger.
Touchdown is in goal. I think that Three's going to give this. Yes, acknowledge, just acknowledge it now, yes, one point. Yes, I think the Colombians' thing is they're hitting them hard in defence, but they're not getting back quick enough. Reset the defensive line. So the score's gone now, 26-6. Really going to be hard for the Colombians. And we're already 12 minutes to get the first half, so 28 minutes left to go. I think these guys, I mean, they're very good kickers. Highly unlikely, I can't see an actual Indian kicker given the style that he's got. And he's got the breeze across him, so. Not backing this one in, Jazz. Not backing him in here. to back him in, Cooler?
Back in the mid. I think he might kick this.
I think I'd rather back you scoring a goal than you Ian Hockey kicking this, buddy.
Back you get the card, Pete.
लाइव जा रहे आ गया
He's done a bit of leg work. I saw him at
For some reason बैटरी नहीं चार्ज कर रही है
On the leg press machine, wasn't he? Build up the strength.
One to mark out the back. Like he's got that straight run, doesn't he?
He has got a straight runner, which makes it difficult because you're only using this as straight leg rather than
अथवा जिन्हें मन बोल दिया
accuracy. It roll between both. Playing as a
Right, landing in the corner was number 5.
Rugby league, he's got to get back in.
Score 2, Indians 26, Columbus 6.
One good set to get on in the back of this match. This set will be important. I think the Indians will play for a second. We'll get some meters and put a kick down in the corner. I'm in the looking error. I think discipline
I think one thing both teams have done. Indians have got 3 players here. 3 players that are looking interchange at the moment. Nobody wants to come off my list. They've got 14 players in this one.
I think the referee is more good with offload. That will be it. I think the referee will try and stay both for a couple of these guys.
A bit of niggle in there.
Referee might need to take some break.
Lucky Dan. Just play the ball, just keep doing it. Ball down, deep in the corner. Deep in the corner. Oh, bad luck.
Well done to get back to the 20.
That's a 20-metre line. That's a really good run. Right on his own try line, that's 20 metres.
I think perhaps kick the Indians down meters again.
Good tackle in the end.
40 out, the halfback's got the ball, he's pushed it on, and that's not bad play.
This shows the Indians should have played the whistle rather than trying to look for the penalty. To prompt the referee, you have to play the whistle. Just play the game.
He is one of the co-captains. Not going to change the decision. I think he needs to get back to his team.
Yeah, just not only sort out, but have a word to him and say, hey, listen, don't look. You have to play the game. You have to play the whistle. Don't try and look for it. They had the chance there to stop that play, but they were just stood waiting. Yeah, he was a big fella who got a bit injured there before half time, so obviously a bit of magic potion in that knee, and rolled fairly strongly to score that try.
मोहम्मद आ रहे कहते कैमरामैन बॉल ही फॉलो कर सकता कैमरामैन कहते बॉल ही फॉलो कर सकता some reason he charge नहीं कर रही
You alright, Jazz? Hey, Cooler? He was too high, mate.
Going off what you said earlier there, Pete, on the regurgitator and making it look like a genius.
Well, that's one each, mate.
Yeah, that's right. See who gets next one. The Indian team in no rush to get back up. Under my view, Pete.
Yes, very much so.
It's not a bit of energy. Maybe they got that. They got that bit showing it.
Yeah, try and upset the Indians. Yep, try and upset the Indians.
No players having the short kick-off from the right,
There's still a long way to go. Still 20 odd minutes to go in this game. Anybody's game still.
We'll have presentations after the game, after the clubhouse and the ground, and the goalpost. So we'll have the National Rugby League International Development Manager, South Australia, giving a focus to the winning team and the best players from both sides.
We've got scrum penalty. Short hand, yes. I don't think they'd kick a goal from 80, 90 metres out.
Not a bad kick, Ellie.
I don't think you get that one. Well, once again, are we going to see points on the back or?
Piggyback.
Yep.
Coach really happy. See Tony Sideline.
Yes, no errors. Both kickers. Maybe not knowing where the sideline is.
Yes, I wish I had a bit more super practice. 100 metres or 2 hit-ups.
Yes, nice to have some stats on his knees for the game.
I did play the ball, and that's really killed this one inside. They haven't worked really hard. Jesus plays such a skill. He's got some size and strength as well.
Mate, he's only 5 metres out there.
He's on the onside again, although there are numbers.
All players in the tackle. Mistake from dummy half there, not getting the ball. The player, miscommunication.
Clemens on the ball for a second.
Yeah, if they can, it'll give them a good field position. Big contact there between the big men. There's some big boys out there. Look, to be fair, I mean, most of these guys have played the full game so far, so they're really playing hard. Oh, great tackle. He'll be alright, he's got winded on him. He got hit front on, so a bit winded.
They passed the ball a long way back again, and that's slightly out. Mistake after mistake after mistake after mistake.
Yes, the thing is, the mistakes the other team because they're making mistakes. So I think, as you said, fatigue.
I'm like this mid team here. I've been looking for a pretty patient set. In fact, it's a bit lovely, but the pitch now, I'm looking for take. You're up by 16.
Well, I think if they score once more, I think that's a pretty good game. The Indians can put it to bed here, and I think that'll be something to talk about.
Charging you.
Talk about a patient set, a little bit of space instead of holding the ball and going again and push the pass.
Well, the pass was good, but unfortunately there was two players that were both too keen. Rather than one getting the ball, they're both trying to grab the ball.
There's going to be an error in this set, Pete.
Back of it. Look at the inside ball. That is once again great defence, and they're both being really being impacted. Once again, he's only taking it 4 or 5 metres, and then he's looking for someone. Well, yeah, and, we're not standing square on.
Well, they've tapped it. I'm confident making the meters.
I'm not confident about the sideline kicks from where they are, so they've taken and then look, another one. Gone and strip the ball with 2 players in the tackle. So, here we go, 2 penalties. Now they won't take the tap. Now they're close to the sideline. Kick for touch. In the opposition territory.
Well, Pete, 18 minutes to go, just a bit under 16 minutes. Just 20 minutes. So this set becomes almost crucial for the game.
It does. Yeah, it is. This set will make it.
Balls in
the width out here. If they can get the ball out
Just
wide.
space, bit of wide, and get centimetres, and look at all this dirty. It's not a bad play by the a bit of shape down this line side is what they're looking for. And they've gone 2 runners to the left, and look at the chance, right from after, and found space again. Got 4 on the 20, it's the last couple of players to come in. They're pretty struggling to settle at the moment. And this is dropped up, and he's on to the right, stepped out a couple of steps, he's found the half back, he's gone short, found the first man, good contact. Not bad play by the Condors here. I think push this through the edge.
15 metres out.
He's on blindside again, the hooker has picked up from half and made some metres. Jeez, he's done well there, the hooker.
Very close to getting out of line there.
I think the shift on the field might be on here. It's going to be patient. I'm trying to push it too hard. Big dummy, it sounds amazing. Jeez, some good covering tackle.
Yeah, I think he should just run there rather than look for the offload. He had the try line open in front of him. Yeah, seven tackle nowhere now for the Bugs for the Indian team. Seven tackles here. Set up and go. Go quick. They will go. That's it. They're away. Yes, there is.
That's a good charge. Wow, he's a monster. He's done what's he made?
Great. So let's hope they have this in there. No errors in the set.
Yeah, that's the crucial thing. If there are no errors in set, we'll be back at this game. Another 2 minutes. Well done for the Indians. 2 positions, great for the Indians. 2 half shift. Third tack on. The half pace is set again.
Third tackle. They're already up at 30 metres.
Easy 12 metres. No pressure, no pass need to be made. Good tackle there. It's actually happening. Look past the ball right.
Yeah.
On down to the middle. Meters again. You got to hold this ball. Don't look for an option. Left meters again. That's the fourth. And he's right I wouldn't see it. People take it out and see.
No, I don't think I'll be bothered about taking the 2. I mean, that's only going to give you the 2-18. Well, yes, maybe a 3, but I think London's a tie and the Indians have got some big men, so I think they'll just run it. Here we go. Well, when you've got the opposition tied, back on their own goal line, they're looking for a break, don't give them a break. Put pressure.
Good play by the Indians game managers.
Yeah, good game many. Once again, see what you have. Ball went dead, 7 tackles. That would have been a normal situation. That last one would have been a good tackle, and it would have been a change. 7 tackles, extra tackle. Gave him the chance to run it for extra metres.
That try to number 15, Steve Carr. India leads 30 points to 10.
I don't know if they haven't played as well. I think the opposition's letting them play as well. I think the opposition's played much better this half, so I think what's happening is
Good target. Team target.
and they're doing something as well. I mean, they had some repeat sets there. Unfortunately, because I think what they're lacking is just structure and sack out wide.
पता नहीं की गल है
A few times they've seen out wide, but
कि हमेशा ही चल रहा
well, the last couple of tries from the Indians have been out on that.
हां जाएगी
Got the ball in the maybe against space out wide, take the big enough up the middle, then stretch wide.
अभी लग सकती है
Basically tries this half down in that right hand corner.
बैटरी तो चला चाहिए उसमें लेकिन गुरु हां सारी गेम में ना पास किया गया
Fantastic.
आई पी हुए
Yeah, once again, I think
ਇਹਨੂੰ ਦੇਖੋ ਤਾਂ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਹਿੱਲਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਆ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਆਉਣਾ ਭਾਜੀ ਆ ਦੇਖੋ ਤਾਂ ਆਉਣਾ ਕੋਈ
बस ये होना
just hold the ball,
दूजा यार
civil offloads. I mean, they don't need to do any civil offloads.
तेरा देखिए ये होगा और फिर नाल
Push the pass, take the tackle.
Coming down by 20. It's been a clean exit.
I think we'll see a short kick-off here.
Have a look at the way the field's set up. There's right side option here, Steve. Numbers on this right side.
कितना दिन छोड़ी ये वो ढीला
Too fast shift again.
If you're positive,
Yeah, I think that's pretty common. I think you've got two players that are lining up to the first runner with the ball, and then as the second player gets the ball, an ISO player.
ये सो
so you're charging it.
Back, they're already in the opposition's half. I'd be surprised if you see a little shit being short. There's certainly the space, especially over on the shot side. Space for a chip there. Nice tackle. He's tackling here. Wouldn't be surprised, up in the air. Up in the air, yes, up into the sun. Oh, he's not taking it. Covered it, but he's taking it well. Good defenseman. All in a line, working on the line. Talking to each other, where they want players.
So he is not
Saying,
starting
Colombians just put it down into the post.
Hello, Bruno. वो हम ट्राई हो गया फिर हम स्कोर बदल दिया आया so Colombia है गया 14 Colombia है गया 14 yeah 1-4 Bye.
Thing is too, once again, the Indians can put the ball in the air, they'll be swinging the sun.
Picking off here.
We've got a player standing only 12 minutes back.
Come on, Danny!
Short ball.
Get up, Danny, get up!
Need to get off him. I'll be in no hurry to set this. Just on 8 minutes to go. Things are looking much better for the Indian team now. I think there'll be a lot of celebrating if they win this game. It's an inaugural game. I think they don't need to play for points. They just need to hold the ball. By the props anyway. Be the hooker.
Big channel set there. Done well. They continue to play this second.
Up inside the between the 25 metre line here.
this is a
Hold the
match
ball.
between India and Colombia
Second tack on the side. 20
and
metre line.
India
20
is
here.
leading by 30 to 16 so this is very good Indian match.
Pushed him right back. put this one in the air. Put it in the air. That's it. Put it in the air. It'll be too deep, I think. Yeah, too deep. Indians haven't set though. They need to get themselves back in position here. The Indians ready. A bit of a hole over here on this. Right-hand edge. Now they're running straight at him. Now run this way again, I think. Run at him again. Yeah, so he's scored 2 tries this half.
Get up, Danny!
Not this time, the Indians say.
Not this time, yeah. Not going to forfeit this time.
I don't think you could see that with the sun looking at that.
I think the sun's a bit of a factor there at the moment.
We're not used to catching it.
Not playing down injured over here.
Ladies and gentlemen, 5 minutes to go. India leading Colombia 30 points to 16.
Great game.
One last thank you to our supporters for today. Colombian team presented by Prestigious Colombianos in Brisbane, Latin House. Preston & Co. certified practicing accountants, Shield Security, Dr. Pickle Production Aftercare, Swiss Craig, and Hello Networking. The Indian team is supported by
He would be a factor in England, that's for sure.
Waterview Learning, T3 Sporting Team, 40 Radio, Indoor TV, Patel & Associates Chartered Accountants, Punjabi Colours, Singh Fabrications, Rakesh Kasai, and Ankur Patel.
Yeah, all he was about to, even though he's took the second.
I could put a little black button out there in the second round. The clock's off. Come back to the off. What he needs to be aware of, which is his sore arm, what's his shoulder, so make sure he's not trying to throw it the wrong way. In fact, hopefully he'll lead and he'll just let the lock take it out. Yes, take it out.
Nice long ball, a good hit up, and the guy from the outside had pushed up at him, which is nice. He just had some hit ups. That's the wing he's coming to do some work. Haven't done a good one it is.
Hasn't had a lot of ball, has he?
Some of the time he's had it.
He has done well. He hasn't had a lot of ball. Just go on and play the game now. Oh, great ball. Out wide. And that's a good tackle to hold him down. 6 metres out. Quick play to ball.
Hooker's coming right, just be patient, you're not pushing him. Not sure if he'll score running half, pretty away from the player.
Oh, it's really a waste of play. They could have thrown that one out. They've got plenty of players and width out here. Yes, well, he's been put through the washing machine there by one of the Colombians. Spun around and around. Change over, but we're under 4 minutes to go. I think the Indians are considered a bit safe at the moment. That's it. And you've got to do it 3 times and then you go. Good meters, but in the end, someone went down to the leg. Yep. Pulling a hole. You've got a hole in the middle and you need to play the ball. Wouldn't be surprised if actually gets the
leading
left
again.
this
16.
Close the hole up,
30
but
to
the
16.
Indians.
Time's almost up.
Well, a bit of fatigue.
India 16.
We've had a lot less errors this time. A lot less errors. We've got 2 tackles left in this set. Got space out wide if they can get the ball out. Yep, there's the space. Oh, but he's not the ball. That's a knock on. Oh, he's called a knock back. their last one.
Goes
behind the open, right? No, he's on the run.
Hospital offload.
We'll have a scrum, you know. Scrum set 15 minutes further upfield.
Ladies and gentlemen, a reminder, at full time we will have the National Rugby League International Development Manager, Tasman Series, presenting the winning team with the trophy and player of the game medal.
No bid.
Might not realise it, but the players on these teams, not only have they participated out there today, but also have a large part in organising this game. So, flying from across the world, organising the cultural performance, and bringing everyone together generally for the game. So, make sure you give them both teams a big round of applause at full time.
Well, I think what they've probably found is maybe playing this or whether or not this is the Flamings that they're not ranked very high. They're only ranked number 44th in the world. So I wonder, mate, does this mean that India will jump? Could do. I don't know if the rankings change after one game. Minute 5, so they can actually take their time starting this set. Take their time and finish this game off with the ball in hand. It'd be nice for the Indians to finish with the ball in hand. And they haven't stopped all that. I mean, we can be proud, you know, how this team's played. Yes, his mate stood there and took him ball. Early fourth tackle, 20 odd seconds to go in the game, so just take his time getting up to play the ball here.
And an offload there.
And he gets the offload. So we can save it. The Indians are going to finish the ball in hand here. And there it is. Jazzy Buller ends up with the ball.
Well done.
Where's Cat?
I'm good. You stay here. Anthony, you stay here.
ਇੰਡੋਸ ਟੀਵੀ ਦੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਫਿਰ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਦੋਸਤੋ। ਅੱਜ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਾਈਵ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜਿਆ ਸੀ ਕੋਲੰਬੀਆ ਵਰਸਸ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਰਗਬੀ ਦਾ ਮੈਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਨੰਦ ਮਾਣਿਆ। ਅੱਜ ਬੜੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਦਾ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ, ਨਾਲੇ ਇੱਕ ਇਤਿਹਾਸਕ ਦਾ ਦਿਨ ਸੀ ਔਰ ਇਹ ਇਤਿਹਾਸਕ ਦਿਨ ਉਸ ਦਿਨ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਨ ਕੀਤਾ। ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਕੋਰ ਸੀ ਉਹ 30 ਔਰ ਕੋਲੰਬੀਆ 16 ਔਰ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਦਰਸ਼ਕ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੇਖਿਆ, ਮੈਂ ਸਮਝਦਾ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਵੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨਵੀਆਂ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਖੇਡ ਦੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਨਵੀਂ ਪੁਲਾਂਘ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੁੱਟੀ ਆ ਔਰ ਇਹ ਖੇਡ ਦੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਪੁਲਾਂਘ ਇਦਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੁੱਟਦੇ ਰਵਾਂਗੇ, ਨਵੇਂ ਖੇਤਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਧਾਂਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਇਦਾਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਕਾਮਯਾਬੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਵਾਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਆ। ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਐਕਸਾਈਟਡ ਆ, ਸਾਰੇ ਪਲੇਅਰ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਇੰਡੋਸ ਟੀਮ ਦੇ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਔਰ ਹੋਰ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਪਾਂਸਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਵਧਾਈ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਔਰ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਜ਼ਾਹਿਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਇਤਿਹਾਸਕ ਦਿਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜ ਕੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਉਪਰਾਲਾ ਕੀਤਾ। ਔਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਨੇ ਰਿਸ਼ਪਾਲ ਹੇਰ ਜੀ।
That's India's coach, Tony Titi from New Zealand. And let's talk to him. Tony, man, thanks for coming on TV and for Indos. How do you feel?
Very excited for India Rugby League, very excited for these boys. They've come together last minute and really managed to bond, gel, but also play with heart, play for their heritage, and I'm just so proud of them at the moment. They've earned this.
So you coach the Team India?
Yeah, sort of. Look, at the moment, this is the unofficial international team for India for rugby league. You know, there's never been another Indian rugby league team, so we're proud to represent that. We're proud to represent all of the people here and around the world who are Indian that never get picked for rugby league teams. But we've got a long job after this to really establish the game over in India as well.
So whose idea was this? I mean, what was the reason in forming an Indian team that's not an Indian team?
We had 3 players, all Indian players, one in New Zealand, Australia and America, who were wanting to play rugby league for India, but knowing that there's no team, they decided to talk, get together and find a team from around the world. And the boys you see here that have done the job are the result of that search.
So what was the purpose of this game?
Really to show the world that India is a rugby league playing nation, and we love the game. We can play, we love the game, we play as hard as everybody else, and now what we want to do is move forward and establish rugby league in India, establish a grassroots program, and also help to develop more players that want to represent India on the world stage.
So where to from here?
We're hoping for another international match before the end of the year, possibly here in Brisbane or else in New Zealand.
We would love to have it here.
We would love to have it here too.
Yes.
We've got great support from yourself and Indos TV and Punjabi Palace and Invoke, our major sponsors here.
Sponsors, yes.
So we would love to have it here. We've got a lot of support from the community, but wherever we can get a game against another international country, we want to work towards the ultimate goal of representing India at the Emerging Nations World Cup in 2021.
Okay, so how do you feel about your players? Did they perform to what you wanted, or they can better themselves, or what do you think?
The players that we have here have exceeded our expectation in terms of coming together, being able to pick up a game plan in 3 days, being able to learn how to be a team, but also really understanding what it means to play for India as a brotherhood. So I'm proud of what they've done, and I believe they've exceeded all our expectations.
So as we found out that all these players are from different nations, so where do they actually come from, all of them?
So we have 10 players that came from New Zealand, and they're playing in the ethnic competition in New Zealand at the moment. We have 6 players based here in Australia, and we've also got 1 player, our captain, number 1, Shaniat Chowdhury, who plays semi-pro rugby league in America.
In America?
Yes, he came all the way from New York.
Too.
They play rugby league in America.
Good to know.
Yeah.
So what's your next plans then?
Well, after the boys end up celebrating and going and finishing everything off here, we're going to start planning ahead for the future. We're going to find another opponent, and we're going to see how we can keep this team together and keep promoting Indian Rugby League.
On behalf of Indos TV and the Brisbane community, mate, I wish you all the best. And thanks for putting up a great game.
Well, we just want to thank the Indian community and all the people around the world who have supported us and have been watching on the live stream. And we certainly want to tell you that we're looking forward to the next game. We're looking forward to having all of you watch us in the next game.
Thank you, Tony. All the best. best for the future.
Thank you.
Thank you. हाँ दोस्तों, इस Tony Titi, the coach of the Indian team, and now we got the captain of the Indian team.
Thank you for having me. My name is Shania Chowdhury. I play fullback.
From America?
From America, from New York, yeah. I came all the way out here to Australia because I really believe that, for the next generation of Indians, we have, not just other sports, but rugby. It's such a beautiful game, and we really want to prove it out here today to the world that India is not just a great country, but just great people, and we're really good at anything that we could believe in and we could do. And so, this is for the next generation. We hope that the next people that come up fill in our shoes, because one day we'll get to the World Cup. One day we'll win the World Cup.
Of course.
So that's why we're here today. And I just want to thank everybody that watched the game. I want to thank the coaches and the fans that are coming out and supporting us.
So how did you get involved in this?
It happened in less than a year. Me, myself, my co-captain Nick, and our friend
Nick,
Josh.
Good.
We all came together because we want to really, do something for our culture and heritage, because we all played rugby and we wanted to give back, not to our culture, to our country, to our people, that we could do more. So we just came together, we talked it out, and then eventually coaches got on board. And when people started hearing about it through Australia, New Zealand, England, you name it, the US, there was a lot of interest buzzing, because we're not used to Indians, playing rugby.
Everybody we talked to when we said India's going to play, and they said, what?
Yeah, and we want to showcase that we could be here. We deserve to be here. We deserve to be with the best in the world. And we have, it's not going to happen overnight, may not happen tomorrow, but 2, 3 years, 5 years down the line, we're going to be one of the top nations in the world in rugby league.
Okay. First of all, congratulate you and your team for putting up a great performance.
Thank you.
And winning the game 30-16.
Thank you.
That was a job well done.
Yeah.
So where from here to?
From here, we're just, we're going to go home and rest and just really talk about what we could do going forward better, what we can improve on, and think about all the positive things that we've accomplished, and just really take it one step at a time, one day at a time. Right now we're just taking the moment just to enjoy this. We worked so hard, a lot of boys trained so hard for months, so we just want to take the time just to really enjoy this right now.
How big is rugby in America? We're talking about United States, aren't we?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, rugby league is starting to really grow there. Rugby union and sevens has been really popular throughout the years, but I represent Brooklyn Kings in the USARL. We have 14 teams. We've been to the World Cup a couple of times now, so we have a lot of great players coming up, not just American born, but throughout. We got Indian play. I'm coming from my heritage. We have Hispanics, so people come from all over the world to play this beautiful game.
Well done.
Thank you.
And you, sir?
Yep.
So what do you have to say about the game?
Oh, not much that Shania hasn't said already. We knew it was going to be a tough game, and we've been talking about it the whole time of training, all over Messenger, that we really needed to stick it to them in the first 10-15, and I think we did that. We wanted to kick and keep them down in their half, and I think we did that. We wanted to make them force errors and be aggressive in defence, and I think we did that. And we wanted to complete, and we did that. So I told the boys if they did our job, they completed and did what we needed to do, we'd come away with the win, and that's exactly what happened. So everything went to plan. I think the boys are feeling really good. I don't think that there was any bad injuries coming out of that game, which is really good.
Yeah.
Which is what you always want. And we'll just go back and think about our next step now. We'll just let the boys have a little bit of time to enjoy this, and we'll all stay really tight and get ready for the next one.
How hard was it? I mean, you had players from different countries, different places. I mean, you could only train here for the last couple of days.
Yeah.
So did you sort of communicate to one another, or you just met here?
In 2019, it's good that we have social media, so we communicate a lot through social media and just keeping each other accountable. Whether it's just fitness, whether it's just talking about certain plays, just really communicating throughout the whole process was really important, and building that trust. We have a lot of boys that were coming from New Zealand. They were training together for weeks, for months at a time. Nick and I, he was in Australia from the US, but we really took it upon ourselves. We were committed to this process and to the future of India Rugby League. So we worked hard, we trained hard by ourselves. When we all got here, we just took it off from there. I think we really built a great trust and friendship and a family and a bond that will last forever.
So there's already a talk of a next game sometime in December or January.
Yeah.
So if it happens, so are we expecting the same team, or are we going to have different players? Or who's going to play and who the other team is going to be.
Right, for sure. I mean, going down the line, we expect to be a better team. Whether some guys come back, whether some guys will have new faces, we want to get better. So we'll really again just take this moment to really enjoy this moment.
So who you are thinking playing against next?
Whoever's ready. Whoever's ready.
Well, I don't know. I heard the rumors that the Chile might be coming. Is that right?
It could be Chile, it could be El Salvador. We don't know yet. There's going to be a lot of conversations going on. But who's ever ready, we'll be ready too.
Thank you very much, Honey.
Thank you.
It's great having you. It was a great game.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Cheers.
How you doing?
I'm good, thank you. And so you're the man of the match?
Yes, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Bad luck.
Yeah,
Game didn't fall you away.
it was unlucky. They got away from us. We didn't stick to the game plan. We were a bit loose with the ball, and we had to play defense after set after set after set, and they got over on us. So it was a bit unlucky.
Better luck next time. But it was a good game, wasn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. India came out guns blazing. They hit hard. They play fast. They're a bit physical. So I think we thought we were gonna just roll over them, and it was a rude awakening for the first set. So next time we get a game versus them, hopefully we can put up a better fight.
So your players, are they all from here or are they from Colombia?
Well, most of them are from Colombia, and they come to Australia, and they're now citizens of Australia. I'm actually from America. My dad is Colombian, so.
America, we're talking about South America, States?
United States. Yeah, I'm from Tampa, Florida.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So I come here last year to play football in Townsville for the TDRL, and the Latin Heat reached out to me, and I represented Colombia in the Merging Nations World Championship this past year. And so when they called and said we're playing an international match for Colombia versus India, I actually had a game last night, and I just hopped on the plane first thing this morning, flew over here, and I played again. So
really,
yeah, I'm a bit sore right now. I'm not gonna lie.
You would be. Okay. But anyway, thank you very much for your time, and better luck next time.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Okay,
Looking forward to it. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you. ਹਾਂ ਦੋਸਤੋ ਅੱਜ ਬੜਾ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਦਾ ਦਿਨ ਸੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਕਿ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੀ ਟੀਮ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਰਗਬੀ ਦਾ ਮੈਚ ਜੋ ਬ੍ਰਿਸਬਨ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਹਾਲੈਂਡ ਪਾਰਕ WGS ਸਕਾਟ ਪਾਰਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਖੇਡਿਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਜੇਤੂ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ 30-16 ਸੋ ਸਾਰੀ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਬਣਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਸੋ ਇੰਡੋਸ ਟੀਵੀ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਨਿਮਾਣੀ ਜੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਗੇਮ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਵ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਟੈਕਨੀਕਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਸਾਡਾ ਵੀ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੀ ਗੇਮ ਵੀ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਸੀ ਔਰ ਸਾਡੀ ਵੀ ਪਰ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੀ ਟੀਮ ਜੇਤੂ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਅਜੇ ਬੜਾ ਕੁਝ ਸਿੱਖਣਾ ਸੋ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਤੁਹਾਤੋਂ ਇਜਾਜ਼ਤ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਗਲੇ ਮੈਚ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਰ ਮਿਲਾਂਗੇ ਰੱਬ ਰਾਜੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਰਹੋ ਸਦਾ ਵਸਦੇ ਰਹੋ ਹੱਸਦੇ ਰਹੋ ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ